All right, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome back to the session. It's a Friday, good afternoon, 3 p.m. session. We're gonna take a quick glance at the markets to see if there's any changes or anything to update. All right, we've already done analysis since Monday, and so the markets are moving. Either we're waiting for setups entries to form, or you guys are in positions just waiting for them to develop. All right. Yeah, so I don't think it's gonna be um, a lot of things to do in this session, but just to update the analysis to see if there has been any changes. All right, let's get right into it. This is what we've been looking at throughout the week: the yen pairs, the commodities, the indices, a few dollar pairs as well. All right. So let's see with gold and silver if there's been any changes as yet. All right. So gold, this hasn't broken out as yet. It's still, it has made its push towards the downside. So I can see now that this move towards the downside has taken out this low. It has taken out this low here. Right. So let's see what's going to happen, but waiting for a higher low. So this one hasn't changed. We have, a deep correction here. We've got a deep correction here. We're still looking for upside. We're still looking for price to go up. So that is how gold is looking. Yeah. This is now how the 4-hour candle closed there. So we have this week now. So anywhere from here, we're expecting gold to push up. We're anticipating gold to push up. Let me do this. Yeah. So we're still looking for gold to make its way towards the upside. All right, so gold is still the same. One more push up back to that zone, and then we'll take it from there. All right. Silver has already gone up. This one is already gone. So I don't think there's going to be anything for me here. Maybe for you guys, you got your setups, right? There was a correction here for a continuation towards the upside. All right, there was a continuation there. So maybe some of you guys, this would have been your setup. So silver still pushing up. Nothing has changed in this one. Yeah, nothing has changed on this one. Gold looking for a push up. Silver is already gone. The indices, Nasdaq and US 30, this is how they are looking. US 30, remember, looking for a break and a continuation towards the upside. Looking for a break and a continuation towards the upside. So this one, the analysis remains the same. Nothing has changed. Nasdaq, this is how it's looking. All right. So this one, the same thing, right? It's either it's gonna come back down and make a way up, make a move up, or it's gonna continue going up from there, because of this structure it's forming, right? Because of this structure it's forming. But the move we're looking for is towards the upside. This is nothing but a correction. The move we're looking for is towards the upside. All right. So yeah, so Nasdaq remains the same. The analysis is the same. US 30 analysis is the same. All right. And then the yen pairs still the same. The yen pair is still the same. Still the same. You have GBP JPY. You've got GBP JPY, still bullish. Still bullish. The structure hasn't changed. All right, the structure hasn't changed. This is the same with NZD JPY, CAD JPY, Euro JPY, USD JPY. It's slowly making its way up. All right, so CAD JPY the same. Nothing has changed. NZD JPY, nothing has changed. Euro JPY, NZD JPY is about to, you see there's a correction here. There's a correction here which is giving us an opportunity for one more push up. So on the 1 hour, there's a correction which is giving us an opportunity for one more push towards the upside. One more push towards the upside. So that's NZD JPY, CAD JPY. CAD JPY also on the lower time frames. There is a correction here on the lower time frames, right? Giving us a continuation towards the upside. A continuation towards the upside. Euro JPY, still the same. It, it can break and continue up, or it can come back down one more time before it goes up. So it is still the same. It is still the same. USD JPY, this one slowly pushing towards the upside. So that is the yen pairs. Those are the yen pairs. All right. So still the same. And then, so the yen. Yeah. So the analysis still the same, guys. Just continue waiting for your setups. Continue waiting for your setups, and yeah. And you're gonna get your trades, yeah. Continue waiting for your setups, and the trades will come. Will come. All right. I don't know. Is there anybody with a question? Maybe. Is there anybody with a question? Let's have a look. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Welcome to the session. All right, let's see. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Thank you. Thank you for Robert. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Much appreciated. It's all good. Why is USD Swiss keep going down and up? It's not going to normal direction to continue buys. Your question there, Sandile. I mean Sakile. Your question there, why is USD Swiss keep going up and down? It's not going in the normal direction to continue. On what time frame are you looking at this? On which time frame are you looking at this this market? Still correcting. Robert, are you referring to USD Swiss? Yeah, it is still correcting. Still correcting. It is still correcting. Okay, so let me ask you this question, Sakile. So are you expecting the market to move in a straight line? You know, the market doesn't move in a straight line. It will do this. You just need to be patient with your position. You know, this is called market structure. This is what market structure is doing. This is what market structure is doing. All right. So don't expect the market to move in a straight line. Don't expect the market to move immediately you execute the trade. That mindset is not the right one. All right. So what's happening right now with USD CAD, you are only looking at this piece of information here. You are not looking at the dominant structure in the market. What is the dominant structure here? This is the dominant structure. Right? The structure is bullish. It's a buyer's market. So don't look at this piece. Look at the market holistically. All right. As far as this structure is concerned. So what's happening right now is that price is still correcting. Price is still correcting, right? There are some pullbacks in between. So this move here, this move that you see here is part of the correction. Once the correction is done, the market will continue going up. Once the correction is done. All right. Like I said earlier on, for this to change direction, the market has to go down and break this low. And break this low for it to change direction. All right. So it is still bullish. It is still bullish. At the moment it's correcting. Once the correction is done, the impulse towards the upside is going to form. So what we need to do here is just we need to be patient. Be patient. Wait for the market to move. All right. Wait for the market to move. So yeah. So don't worry. Don't worry. Just be a little bit patient with it. Wait for the market to move. All right. So this correction is going to complete at some point. It's going to complete at some point, and then yeah, the impulse, the continuation will form. So yeah, so just wait for it. Wait for it. Yeah, just wait for it. Sometimes the market does do this, you know. There are times where you're gonna get a correction like this, and there are times where the correction will do this. All right, but as long as the structure doesn't change, this move to the upside is gonna form. It is gonna form. All right, so just be a little bit patient with it. A little bit patient. It is similar to what gold and silver has been doing. You know, so you see right now what gold is doing right now. It is similar to what USD Swiss is doing. So here's the correction. So the correction will keep doing this, keep up and down, up and down, up and down, until it completes the correction before price goes up. So we would be waiting here. All right. So yeah, so just be a little bit patient with it. Cool stuff, cool stuff, cool stuff, cool stuff. All right, so let's keep an eye on them, right? USD Swiss, one more push up. USD JPY, also a break, and yeah, this is how the day is looking. All right, if they are moving slow, if you think that they are moving slow, guys, it's a Friday, right? Sometimes on Fridays it is like that. Sometimes the market does move, sometimes it is a little bit slow, so we need to wait a little bit. All right, cool. Let me see if there are any more questions from you guys. Jules, thank you. You must also have a good one. You must also have a good weekend. We'll catch you back on Monday. We'll catch you back on Monday. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it seems like we are all good, all on the same page. Yeah, you know, for this session, the analysis has already been done. So yeah, so I've just done a bit of updates here on what we've been looking at for the whole week. All right. So yeah, so the market, the yen is moving, the silver is moving, gold is about to move. So there are plenty of trading opportunities you can catch. All right. So yeah, so that's it. That's it from my side here. For the 6 p.m. session, I don't think there's gonna be anything much for the 6 p.m. session. All right. If the markets remains the way they are, then I don't think there's gonna be much for the 6 p.m. session. All right. But other than that, have yourselves a good day. I'll catch you guys either later or Monday. And yeah, keep a close eye on these opportunities and good luck. I'll catch you guys next time.